I didn't mention that, but I thought you might kind of already figure that. But conflict of interest due to the lawsuit being filed, that's the grounds of my demand for dismissal.
Okay.
And I would like to, Ms. Duffy, as the prosecutor, I'd like to notify you, of the crimes being committed against me by the police officer, by, in this case, writing the tickets, and I request you prosecute them for this, because I'm the crime victim here in reality, because I was traveling by right, which the U.S. Supreme Court said we have, as long as you're not carrying passengers property for profit, you're not technically driving a motor vehicle. Therefore, all these charges are baseless. There's no case here. So in reality, I was harassed, retaliated against for exercising my right to travel on my motorcycle, and then with these charges. Okay, so they had no evidence that I was carrying passenger property for profit, which is what's required. That's the definition of a motor vehicle under 18 USC section 31 subsection 6 and 10. That's when a motor vehicle is a motor vehicle. In contrast to the state law, I know what the state law says. The state law just says, oh, if something's mechanically drawn, it's a motor vehicle. Well, the state statute is in violation of this federal statute. Therefore, it's unconstitutional. Okay, and therefore, the federal statute definition of motor vehicle applies here. It overrides the state statute under Article 6 of the U.S. Constitution. Laws of the United States is supreme over state law. So therefore, I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was traveling by right on my motorcycle, as I have a right to do, without a license, without registration, without insurance.